Okay, this is your weather outlook update for Wednesday, September 17th. We're going to look at the next several days through the weekend and into early next week. And so, in case you have to make plans, you can see what's going to happen. Now, this is what was left over. We got overnight rain and stuff like that. This is between, last and today. What was the total? But as you can see, this is going to start moving away very quickly here as it goes out towards the sea and doesn't become much of a problem. This is your total rain between now, we're going to say, and Monday. And you can see there's not very much in Pennsylvania. And as you can see, there is another storm out here, but it's not coming up the coast. It's being pushed out to sea. So you don't have to worry about that. And right now, what's left of precipitation is basically south of Pennsylvania. It's in the extreme southern part of New Jersey, down by Cape May. And between Rehoboth and Dover, there's a line of showers there that'll be fading out. You get a couple sprinkles. Could happen along in Jersey overnight. But then as we get towards the morning hours, you can see things begin to clear out. And then this is tomorrow afternoon. It's a nice day. We don't see any precipitation. Then overnight, there is some showers that could happen in the northern part of PA, but nothing extravagant, no thunderstorms, at least as of right now. And then as we go through the day on Friday, again, a couple of sprinkles out there in central PA. And then late in the afternoon, as you can look out here in the west towards State College, out this way, you can see that there's a couple of showers pop up in the afternoon, but nothing major. And then they kind of move through and then out of the way overnight on Friday. Now, these are your temperatures, and you can see it's cooler in the eastern part area, Delaware, Jersey, and eastern PA. And part of that is because of the clouds that are going through. And if you look towards the west, temperatures have gotten into the upper 70s out by Pittsburgh. As we go through the nighttime hours and we head towards morning, you can see things cool off a little bit, but not drastically. Right there is the coldest point of the night. You can see temperatures 60s in Jersey and Delaware, Philly, and then elsewhere across the state of PA. Basically 50s. There could be a couple 40s out in northwestern PA, but that's kind of where we sit for nighttime lows. And again, comfortable. Open your windows, enjoy. And then tomorrow, like I said, we have no precipitation, and so temperatures can climb. And then, as you can see, South Central, Southeastern PA, New Jersey, Delaware, temperatures get near 80 to above 80. Even out by Pittsburgh, they get up that high. And elsewhere across the state, temperatures are in the 70s. So, really, not a bad day tomorrow. And we move into Friday. You can see that if you're down in the I-95 corridor, if you're down in Delaware, and you're in Jersey, for the most part, temperatures get into the 80s, but they stay cool to the northwest and to the northern part of New Jersey because of cloud cover and that little bit of showers that tries to come through. It's not a lot of rain, but it does keep your temperatures down because some clouds mix in and they keep kind of does that to you. And yes, you're reading this map correct. This is Saturday morning's lows. They range from the upper 60s down towards Rehoboth and Cape May and Jersey to upper Pennsylvania, getting into the 30s. And if you're right along the border up there, you can get below freezing. You can see up in the Finger Lakes, up towards Binghamton and Cortland, temperatures are in the 20s. So that's your first time we've seen the 20s pop up on the map. And that is Saturday morning. And because we start off chilly, daytime highs on Saturday only climb into the mid 50s for the most part, and western PA temperatures get into the lower to middle 70s. And then Sunday pretty much closes out most two-thirds of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. Temperatures are in the low 70s, but you can see that warm air is trying to sneak back into PA. So if you're out in western PA, temperatures can get low to mid 80s, and that'll be a nice day for you on Sunday. And then on Monday, it's a few degrees warmer in central PA and eastern PA and New Jersey. So temperatures are trying to make a climb back up again on Monday. So those are kind of what your temperatures are going to be. And that's what your rainfall is going to be. So not overall that bad, but just we're still not, we're going to average out before the end of October to above average temperatures because we've been below average for the last month and a half, basically. So it's going to switch back over again, and we're going to start but we're not going to warm up to the upper 90s and upper 80s, but you'll see some mid 80s out there occasionally. And the average temperature is probably going to be mid to upper 70s in that range there. All right, everybody, take care, be safe. Talk to you tomorrow.